Good afternoon. Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, children, we'll do the next question. Okay, how are you? Had your lunch?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and second question. Wait. Okay, write the question. Second question. Second one. AB is a line segment. AB is a line segment. AB is a line segment. Line segment. And line L is its perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector. If a point P lies on L, show that P is equidistant. P is equidistant from A and B.
Ma'am, can you scroll up?
Okay, children. Can you see your first step? What is your first step? I have already given you. What is your first step? You have to identify two triangles. Can you see two triangles from this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, children. What are those triangles?
Right angle to two triangles.
Triangle PAC and a triangle PBC. Can you see two triangles?
Yes,
Hello,
ma'am.
children. What are the two triangles? PAC and PBC. Or you can write PCA and PCB anyway. Okay. So these are the two triangles. And you look at the question. From the question, some sentence, something is given related to this sides or angles, anything like that. So look at the question. Read the first line. AB is a line segment. Okay. Did you find out that AB? AB. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And line L is its perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector. What does it mean? Line L is its perpendicular bisector. This is line L. This one. Line L.
It divides a triangle into two equal parts.
Not triangle. Line L is its
Divides
perpendicular
the line
bisector.
segment. Divides the line segment
And
into two
divides the line
equal parts.
segment. Where is that line segment? Which is that line segment?
Ma'am,
AB.
AB.
AB is the
AB.
line segment. Okay. AB is the line segment. And this perpendicular bisector divides it into two equal parts. Correct. Only that is given here. What do you mean by perpendicular bisector?
It will be 90 degree.
Not only this is equal, but this angle is 90 degree also. Clear, children? Perpendicular bisector is enough. That means we will get two types of data from there. Two types of equal parts. One is perpendicular, means it is 90 degree. And bisector means divides into equal half. Clear, children? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And what are the two triangles? Triangle PAC and triangle PBC. Don't write, children, don't write. These are the two triangles. Perpendicular bisector means two parts are equal and one angle is also equal. Can you find one more part which is equal in this? One more part. In these two triangles, one more part which is equal.
Common side.
Common side. Very good. Which is that common side?
PC.
PC is common. PC is the common side. Okay, children. So, now which triangle we are using, which criteria we are using here, children? Don't use RHS because, no, we are not using RHS because this is the hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse that we are not taking. Clear? So, don't use
SAS.
RHS. Yes.
SAS.
S, angle and S. So, it is SAS. Is it clear now? Okay. So, we'll start writing AC equal to BC and it is given. Just write given. Only that. Given. And angle PAC, sorry, angle PCA equal to angle PCB equal to 90 degree. That also given because it is given that it is perpendicular bisector. Okay. And PC equal to PC, common side. Common. Therefore, triangle PAC congruent to triangle PBC by SAS. Again, what we have to prove? Read the question. What we have to prove, children? Proving. What we have to prove? P is equidistant from A and B. What do you mean by equidistant?
Equally distant.
Equally distant. Equally distant. Equidistant. From A and B means the distance of P from A and distance of P from B. That is PA equal to PB. This is you have to prove. So just write it because it is CPCT, PA equal to PB, because we already proved that these triangles are congruent. Now you can write it as CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. So it should automatically true. It should be automatically equal. Okay. Now, what about these questions? Is it okay for you? Is it tough, children?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So even though you are thinking that this proving is tough, but it is easy just to think and write only that. If you finish writing, tell me. I want to tell you about one more criteria. See, nobody is turning on your videos. Only very less children. And those children are good in studies. Others are not responding and not telling the answers also. Okay, children. Now, let me tell you one thing. This ASA rule. Let us discuss about that ASA rule. Okay. And there is one interesting thing about this ASA rule. Okay, children, what do you mean by ASA rule? ASA?
Angle, side angle.
Angle, side,
Angle, side, angle. Okay. Suppose. Okay. I have two figures. Okay. I'll give this angle as 30 degree and this angle as 100 degree, suppose. Okay. This is 30 degree and this side is 6 centimeter. This side is 6 centimeter. What about this angle? This is also 100 degree, right?
100.
Okay, children, wait. Which congruency we can use here? Which congruency?
ASA.
ASA, okay. ASA, correct. ASA. And can you find out the other angle? The one angle is given, this angle. Can you find out
30.
this? This angle. I will mark
50.
it. This angle. Can you find out this angle?
50.
50 degree.
50 degree. This is 50 degree. What about this one?
50 degree.
50 degree. Listen, children. Since using our angle sum property, when we find SA, we have given in the question only 30 degree and 100 degree only. Clear? But we found the last angle also. Okay, children? We found
Yes,
that
ma'am.
last third angle also. Third angle also will be automatically equal. Clear? If the two angles we already got means using angle sum property we can find third angle also. Third angle is 50 degree. Okay. So no need of telling SAS. We can tell simply it as a theorem because two angles are enough. Two angles and one side is enough for us. We can simply tell it as AA or AAS. Instead of SAS, we can use the term AAS. What is the reason? Because if two angles are given, we can find automatically the third angle because using angle sum property. So instead of SAS, not SAS, instead of
ASA.
ASA, we can write it as angle AAS also. Did you understand? The
Yes, ma'am.
reason is that two angles are equal means the last angle also automatically equal. So whenever you see SAS, sometimes in some of the textbook it is given AAS also. That is angle, angle and side. That means I will tell you what is the reason. See children, again I'll draw the figure, same figure. This is 30 degree and side here is 6 centimeter. Okay. And here it is 100 degree, 100 degree, 30 degree. Okay. 6 centimeter. Is it included side given? Is it included side?
No.
Hello children?
Yes, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
We are using ASA, right? ASA. We are using ASA. But side is given somewhere else. Isn't it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
But we can use ASA. Why? We can use ASA here. Why?
There are two angles and one side.
Two angles and one side. This side is not included. That means it is not in the same in between the two angles. But we can use it because we can find this angle, the unknown angle we can find. Clear, children? This is the unknown angle. What is that angle?
50. 50.
50. So now it became the included angle, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So now it is same SAS. It is correct SAS. So instead of sorry, not SAS, ASA. So instead of ASA, we can write AAS also. So you keep in mind because one angle we can find using angle sum property. So instead of ASA, we can write AAS also. Clear? Clear, children? You
Yes,
want me
ma'am.
to explain it once again?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So this is our next question. Like this. Hello, children. Write the next question. Okay. This is question number 3. Line segment. Question number 3. Line segment. Line segment. AB is parallel to Line segment AB is parallel to another line segment, parallel to another line segment CD. Line segment CD. O is the midpoint of AD. O is the midpoint of AD. Show that first one, triangle AOB congruent to triangle DOC. Second one, O is also the midpoint of BC.
Ma'am, can you scroll up?
Yes, 1 minute. Let me draw this. Afterwards, I'll scroll the board. Okay, children. Hello. Can you hear me, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
children. So, line segment AB is parallel to another line segment CD. That is our question. Okay. Line segment AB is parallel to another line segment. AB is parallel to another line segment. So, from this parallel lines, we will get sum of the angles. What all things we needed? Okay, children. These two lines are parallel. Will you get any angles equal from this?
Ma'am, 90.
Angle OC.
Ma'am, angle
Angle
O.
C and angle BC.
Will you tell the name of this? This one you are telling now. This one.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
What is the reason of this? Which type of angle?
Alternate interior.
Alternate interior angles. Okay. So that
Alternate
is one
interior
angle.
angle.
Okay. The same way we can. This is, I'll write it as angle 1 and angle 1. Angle 1 and angle 2. Okay. Same way we can tell this one also, right?
Angle D and angle.
This also same. Because these also alternate interior angles, because it is given that these two angles are
Parallel.
these low lines are parallel lines. So any of these angles you can take. Then now you read the question. What all things given there? Read. Line segment AB is parallel to another line segment. We got. Then O
Ma'am,
is the midpoint of
line
yes.
AD.
O is the midpoint of
AD.
O is the midpoint. From there, O is the midpoint of BC. From there, what did you get? O is the midpoint of BC means
Ma'am, AD no.
AD. O is the midpoint. O is the midpoint of AD, right? So
The two sides are equal.
AO and OD.
where are the two sides? This, will you name them?
AO and OD.
OA and
OD.
OA and OD. Yes, children. Now, did you get anything? Which criteria we will use here?
SAS.
Can you find the remaining angle in this? How many angles we marked? You just see
Ma'am, 2.
two angles. Which is the third one? Third one which we did not mark.
Center one.
Central angle. And how can you with any way can you find it whether it is same or not anyway? This
Vertically opposite
vertically
angles
opposite angle. Okay, children. So which criteria will you use? Here you
ASA.
can yes, ASA, but you can use AAS also. Clear,
Yes, ma'am.
children? Instead of finding that vertically opposite angle, if you need, you can write AAS also, because no need of finding vertically opposite angles, or that will be automatically equal. Clear? Because of the third angle, always third angle will be equal because of angles and property. So you can use AAS also and ASA also. Clear? Clear? Okay. So this angle and this angle and this side is enough. This side is enough. But if you find vertically opposite angle, that is good. Okay, that is a bonus. So if either you use ASA or you use AAS, no problem. Do you understand? Okay, so we will write it. We'll write it now. Just time to wind up the class. Let me write it. Okay, children. Proof. Consider triangle ABO. Triangle. Sorry. AOB. Triangle AOB and triangle DOC. Angle ABO equal to angle DCO. Alternate interior angles. Then angle BAO equal to angle CDO. This also same reason, alternate interior angles. And OA equal to OD, it is given. Therefore, triangle AOB congruent to triangle DOC by AAS. Enough. AAS. Okay, enough. AAS. If you write, no problem. AAS. There is no mistake in that if you write AAS. Therefore, second one, OB equal to OC. Because it is CPCT, all the other parts will be automatically equal CPCT. Therefore, O is the midpoint. The midpoint of BC. O is the midpoint of BC.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children, so study well. Today I took 3 problems. Write and study, learn this properly. Okay, continuing, I'll give some more problems like this. From this chapter, all the questions are like this only. Okay. Okay, children. Shall I wind up the class now?
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you, ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, I'll send the homeworks from surface area and volume. There are some more questions remaining. Okay,
Thank
children.
you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sometimes I'll take the class test in Google Classroom. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I'll give the necessary instructions. Okay, children.
Okay,
After the getting the information only, I'll give you. Okay. Sometimes. Trial. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.